Welcome back to another vlog. This is a Vlogmas episode number 2, doing a little Sunday in my life. I'm going to start off with some skincare. Starting to run very low on my Skinceuticals serums, both my nighttime and morning one, but I just recently got the Merit Beauty Great Skin Serum. Might go a little bit without using those and just only using the Merit Beauty one, and if I decide I want to add back in the Skinceuticals ones, I'll probably repurchase them. I'll do a little morning skincare, do a little skin update. I have a video from November of 2020 where I posted a how I cleared my skin video using adapalene gel and benzoyl peroxide, and I never really filmed an official update after that. I just throw into vlogs little skin update blurbs. I just like to occasionally mention it while I'm vlogging, but here is just a little look at my current skin. It broke out actually a bit kind of after during the Orlando trip I did a few weeks ago. I have a vlog of that if you guys want to check it out. That was really fun, but I kind of was like getting some pimples, and now this is like the aftermath. Like the products I use, the adapalene gel and the benzoyl peroxide, really get those pimples cleared up quick. I still do get breakouts. It hasn't completely eliminated my acne. When I filmed that video about 2 years ago, my skin looked really good. It really like cleared it up, did a great job, but I feel like ever since then I do get occasional pimples, and I always seem to have just like a little something on my face. It's not often that there's absolutely no acne or no marks on my face, but right now this is kind of what we're looking like. These are just marks. Like it feels pretty smooth, and I do have some freckles as well, but a lot of these are just marks from pimples. I mean, I could still feel a little bump here. My skin just went through a little breakout. Letting the acne medication do its thing as always. I just apply these products every night. This looks a lot better and feels a lot better than it did just a few days ago. So another few days time, maybe a week, I think a lot of this is gonna look pretty decent. I just wanna show a little update because I do still get occasional breakouts even using the adapalene gel and the benzoyl peroxide skincare routine, and it hasn't been 100% effective in having zero acne on my face, but it does a pretty good job. Limits and reduces the acne I get, and then when I do break out, it does a really good job of clearing it up pretty quick. And I feel like the adapalene gel and the benzoyl peroxide have worked the best basically, but I feel like I've been using it now for like 2.5+ years, since March of 2020, and I just wonder if my skin's getting used to it. I don't know if I need to just try something different or if it's just like I'm gonna get a couple pimples here and there and that's that. I'd be curious to trying something different like tretinoin, which I think could be like a step up. I also don't want to curate my skin update videos so that whenever I choose to do an update is when my skin is looking really good. I also want to show sometimes when I'm healing some breakouts. So here's it, just kind of overcoming a few breakouts from traveling a few weeks ago. I'm gonna go put on my skincare. I'll show the products that I use. For my typical morning skincare, I like to wash my face with this Face Values, which I get at Harmon's, Daily Hydrating Facial Cleanser. It says it compares to the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, and this one is fine. It's very subtle, very gentle. And then I like to go in with the Skinceuticals CE Ferulic Serum. That is very pricey. I'm running very low on it, so I'm gonna decide if I want to repurchase again. I've purchased it maybe 2 or 3 times now, and one bottle does last a very long time. And after the serum, I like to go in with the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This I have repurchased many times. It is just my favorite moisturizer. And then I like to put on some sunscreen. I prefer the one that specifically says for the face on it. If I go into Harmon's or whatever, I'll buy the one for the face and just use this one like on my neck or body. Sometimes I'll go in with the Acure Radically Rejuvenating Eye Cream. This is something I've just had for a while. I just have this tube of it and I want to use it. But I want to use that up because I've had it for a little bit. I don't want it to go to waste. And it's not bad. Sometimes I don't really notice the difference between an eye cream and a moisturizer, but I think it really depends on which one you're getting. And I feel like if I just use my Kiehl's moisturizer around my eyes, it is suffice. Now that I've applied the skincare, my face might look a little bit more red after I wash it, but you can see like this side of my face just looks pretty clear. I mean, I think my face is just a little flushed right now. I feel like that happens to me so easily. But this side is very clear. There's no texture, there's no bumps. I do have freckles. This Merit Beauty Serum I'm probably going to be using at night. Like I said, this is pretty new. I was gifted this product from them. I did a little video and I really like it. It's great. This is something that I will probably start incorporating at night. And then once I run out of those Skinceuticals serums, I'll decide if I want to combine them with this. I have to do research to make sure sure that would be okay, or just decide if I only want to use this, because this is pretty affordable. It's like $38, I believe. It's a little skin update. I'm gonna go make some breakfast, and then I'm thinking from here, the rest of this vlog is going to kind of be like a what I ate today. It's a Sunday, and I don't think we're gonna do too much. We went to the city on Friday, which was awesome. We did all the Christmas things, so if you guys want to see that, that's a little more of like a travel-esque fun vlog. The Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. I have the shade Bel Air. It's just a warm, clear shade. I've been loving this. It feels so good. It's a lip oil, and it feels like exactly what it's called. Doesn't feel thick or tacky or sticky on the lips. It just straight up feels really moisturizing and awesome. For breakfast, I'm just gonna do a little smoothie. I like to do frozen banana, frozen blueberry, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I love this protein powder. This is the Orgain plant-based vanilla protein powder. This tastes really good. Peanut butter. Sometimes I'll put some spirulina in it. I like to put in the Pliables blueberry flax granola. Got my smoothie here. We're gonna run some errands really quick, and then I know the plan is that he wants to watch football. Maybe I'll put up some Christmas ornaments while he's watching football. Just made some lunch. So I did roasted Brussels sprouts. The recipe was saying like 400 is good, but I think 425 might be better. So I did 400, and then I kind of upped it a bit. Around 30 minutes or so. Heated up some chicken that I made last night, just breaded chicken breast. I threw a little tomato sauce on it, and just some leftover baked feta pasta. We just had dinner. We made the Parmesan crusted potatoes, salmon, broccoli, and today was pretty chill. We did some furniture moving. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. Hope you guys all enjoyed this little skin update slash what I ate today vlog. Subscribe for more vlogs, more content, and I hope to see you all in the next one.